Welcome to our quick guide on coffee terminology. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just curious, learning these 5 essential terms will enhance your coffee experience. Let's dive in. Latte, a creamy coffee made with espresso and steamed milk. Imagine starting your day with a warm latte, the perfect blend of strength and smoothness. Mocha, for the chocolate lovers. Mocha is a delicious mix of espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate, topped with whipped cream. It's like a dessert in a cup. Americano, a strong and bold choice. Americano is made by adding hot water to espresso, giving it a similar strength to drip coffee but with a different flavor. Espresso, the heart of many coffee drinks. Espresso is a highly concentrated coffee brewed by forcing a small amount of nearly boiling water through finely ground coffee beans. It's strong, it's bold, and it's the essence of coffee. Cappuccino, a delightful frothy coffee drink made of equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. Perfect for those who love a light, airy coffee experience.